me get the hit. Let me get the hit. Hey. I was driving that motherfucker. Hey. Hey, catch me on a hard tire, man. Catch me on a hard tire, and we'll see what's up. Man, I ain't even got time for you right now, bro. I really don't. Hey, it's clean. It's clean, though. It's clean as hell, though. Hey, it's stock. It's stock right now. It's over for you once I get some headers and E85 on you. It's over. Man, you're supposed to win. You got more stuff done than me. You got more stuff done than me, man. You're supposed to win. Hey, what's up from a dig, though? What's up from a dig? Hey, I was about to come around you. I was about to come around you. You know what I'm saying?